Good morning, class. Today we will be teaching you the most important lessons of science. I am Dr. Phil, and this is my colleague, Dr. Oz. We will be teaching you about weight, momentum, and the law of conservation of momentum.
To begin, weight is the force of gravity acting on an object. The weight of an object is found by the equation weight equals mass times gravity.
We know the equation for weight is W equals mg. Let's say we have an object with a mass of 4, gravity of 9.8. Because it is on Earth, we know that W equals 4 times 9.8, which equals 39.2 newtons. The reason we put that in newtons is because weight is a force, and forces are put in newtons. So here's that. We will find the weight of hand sanitizer. We should probably flip this around. Sorry for the inconvenience. I did not say this in the video, but the hand sanitizer weighed 4.8 grams.
The mass of this pen is 4.98 grams.
Now we can find the mass of a pen. The mass of the pen that we just found is 4.98 grams. And if we plug in the equation of W equals mg, we know the mass now because 4.98. We just weighed that on in the video, which is the mass. Then the gravity, since we are on Earth, is 9.8. So we plug in W equals 4.98 times 9.8. That gives us a weight of 48.8 newtons. The reason you put weight in newtons is because it's a force, so the force of the pen, or the weight, is 48.8 newtons. The mass of this toy car is 37.68
The mass
grams.
of this beaker is 31.5 grams.
The mass of this here glove is 5.65 grams. Science. The mass of this here rubbed sage is 13.8 grams.
Mass of Bell's phone is 177.69 grams.
Now, we will find the momentum of objects by the equation of P equals mv. P being momentum, m being mass, and v being velocity. The equation for momentum, well, we know that is P equals m times v, m being mass, v being velocity, resulting in P momentum. This is not like one of the examples we show in the video, or that we'll see in a second, but let's say the P equals a mass of 0.003 kilograms, because remember this has to be in kilograms, so like you can convert 3 grams to 0.003 kilograms times the velocity of 10. That would equal 0.03 kilograms meters per second. Down there. Hello. I will be finding the momentum of this toy car, and after a long trial of thinking and guessing, I have found that the momentum is 30 kilograms meters per second.
Science.
I guess it's a new day. I have different clothes on, but I will show the transfer of momentum through putting this baseball on top of this basketball, and the momentum going from this ball to the baseball and bouncing up. So I can't really show the ground because I'm not in a good spot, but you'll see the ball come up, I'm sure. Yeah, one over here.
According to the law of conservation of momentum, an object that is in motion will not change if there is no net force acting upon it. We will show you this through the constant speed of a car. As you can see, the speed of the car is not changing, or the momentum, because there's no net force acting upon it.
You enjoyed our lessons on weight, momentum, and the law of conservation of momentum. Just a little quick review. Weight is the amount of force like an object is giving off on an object, and that's found through the equation of W equals mg. W is weight, m is mass, which is in grams, and g is gravity, which is in meters per second squared, but really it's 9.8 on Earth, and weight is a force. So, and then for momentum, it is P equals mv, P being momentum, m being the mass, which you will find the mass in grams, but you need to convert that to kilograms, because the equation for momentum is kilograms meters per second, and then v, the velocity, which is just kept in meters per second. And then finally, the law of conservation of momentum, which states that an object that is in motion will not change its motion or its speed if there's not an object of if there's no net force acting on it.